Guys, it's Blake back with another video. Today, like I said in my last video, I'm going to be giving away this multi-tool. So I went to the comments, decided on about 4 people, then I went down to 3, then I went down to 1, and that one lucky winner is Riley Webb. R-I-L-E-Y-W-E-E-B. Or W-E-B-B. Congratulations. I will be doing a preview of it right now, so enjoy that. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, I'm still here. So here it is. You gotta right back there. Here, let me take this clip. Right where it is, back there in the back, is wire cutters, then bolts, then reduces right there to wire strippers, then it's just some pair of tweezers. You got a little clip. Right here you got a Phillips head, a flathead screwdriver, a file, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a knife. And that's it. And like I said, this thing collapses. It collapses just like that, guys. And then you hold it up like that. And then you close it. And you just pull one up and pull the other one up the same way. And you got them